Let's take a look at SteadyAudit Reports. SteadyAudit is an add-on product for Microsoft Dynamics SL 2015 and 2011. Right now, it's the only such solution for SL 2015. It records all changes made to selected database tables by any application. Sometimes this is required by auditors, other times it's helpful in detecting fraud. SteadyAudit Reports helps you see when your data changed and who changed it. Select the database and table you want to audit. You can select the date range for the search. Initially, you can select the user or action. Click Search, and you'll see the header rows. That's who made the change, the local date and time on your workstation, the workstation, and the application that they were using when they made the change. After you search the first time, you can filter again based on the applications that you found. By default, only the Change columns show in the right-hand panel. You can uncheck the box, and now you'll see all the columns. Now that's a lot of columns. What if you're only interested in a few? For example, address, city, last updated, name, state, VIN ID, and zip code. Now when you click a row, you only see the selected columns. You'll see that several of the last updated programs were changed by the month-end close process, 01560. What if you don't want to see those? The What Changed tab lets us build the validated where clause. I'm going to enter the last updated program is not equal to 01560, and the VIN ID ends with 98. Click Search. Looks like I forgot something. There's not an and. We'll add that, and now we can see the changes. You can adjust the size of the grid when it helps. Now it's easier to see who made each of the changes. This being the demo database, the zip code for Findlay, Ohio is wrong. Let's see if anyone tried to fix it. The city begins with Fin, and the zip contains 584. Now we can see that there have been a lot of changes to correct the zip code. And of course, auditors want to print reports. SteadyAudit shows the report parameters in effect when the report was generated at the top of the report. You can see here one column changed in this case. There were more. If you check only Show Changed, then you only see the columns that the user changed. It's an intersection, just like in the right-hand grid. Or you can export straight to Excel. Also, if you have a lot of header columns, there's a report that shows the headers. Remember that changes to the setup screen are recorded. You can view those on the Setup tab, where you can see recent changes to the current table, or you can choose a different date range. If you click Audit tab and search, you'll see changes made to the Setup screen's Audit tab. In any grid, you can drag to rearrange the columns. SteadyAudit will be sold to Dynamics SL value-added resellers. Contact your partner and ask about SteadyAudit. You and they can learn more about it at SteadyAudit.com. Thanks for watching.